What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is an extremely exciting day. The final part of this E36 M3 head gasket series. We are going to get Sparky back on the road. So something that we didn't really talk about, but is actually really cool, is the deadline to get this car done was tomorrow. Today is April 23rd. Tomorrow's April 24th. It's my 21st birthday. And I really wanted to drive this my birthday. I'm so happy that we got it done. I shouldn't speak too soon. We still have to bleed the cooling system, but like it started. I'm very confident it'll drive, but we got Steven again with us today. And yeah, we're gonna get started. It's sad.
Oh goodness. He's gonna hit the wall. No, he's not. How did he not hit the wall? Oh. Anyway. Yeah, we need a bigger
You're showering. No, we're just bathing the garage.
Yeah, we're just like bathing the garage.
She's smoking. Boy, that's the light. Oh, our light got soaked.
It's fine.
That's unfortunate.
Unfortunate. Oh well. Oh yeah. Sorry, look at me.
He's starting to get really warm, guys. It's going well.
You'd bet $10 that it starts?
I bet $10 that this M3 starts without a jump this time. It was just running for like 20 minutes.
I don't know, I think your battery's cooked, no offense.
You're probably right, but oh, dude, this thing's gross. Hang on.
Okay. So it was like gross.
I am the reason we can have nice things. And degreaser went, dude.
Oh, I put it back again.
Oh, dude, literally.
So clean.
BMW M Power. I need to get these little caps. These are the reason why water keeps getting in cylinder 6.
Why didn't you say something? You just like take some from the junkyard. I literally could have grabbed like 8 of them for you.
You know what they say, when life gives you lemons.
Don't grab caps, I guess. Dude, what the?
Dude, our mental state of well-being here is just like evolving.
Dude, there's so many Drakes in your engine now. Like you have intake Drake, you have cooling Drake, you have long tube Drake.
This guy.
You got fatter long tube Drake like down there, and then you got actual Drake.
Is this Drake?
You're Drake.
Oh, I'm Drake.
Yeah.
All right, guys, and just to finish putting your engine together, don't forget to impact your engine covers down to 1,600 foot-pounds, okay? You ready? Oh, that was in reverse. All the way on until there's at least like 10 clicks, okay? Like 10 of them. Like it needs to go, and then you're good.
This guy.
Yeah, this guy.
This guy. Oh my god. You're the reason we can't have nice things.
Or the reason your car works.
Oh, actually, that's also true.
I mean, I don't know if you can come back from that one.
That's honestly so real. Guys, he roasted me. Okay, we're gonna go take this thing out the road and see if it blows up.
How'd it feel?
Dude, car moved under its own power for the first time in 7 months. Crazy. Here's blowing white smoke out, but you know what? It's been sitting a while. We're just gonna drive it.
It's fine. We're just gonna drive it.
Yeah, we're just gonna drive it. it, you know, make sure it works. This steering feels really loose. I think we got it. Oh, we totally got it off. Look at that.
No. It'll make
Or the
it.
alignment's super off. One of the two.
I bet you it's the alignment. Because when you have the wheels straight up and down, well, I guess we can't really visually tell, but
Yeah.
you'll be able to tell if it's pulling hard.
I hear gearbox noise. Forgot how mechanical this car is, dude. That Dyna shifter feels amazing, dude.
Whoa, getting spicy with it.
Let's grab second gear.
Grabbed it pretty good.
Alright, we're gonna get up to fifth. Third, oh, it grabs like butter. The clutch job TC Euro did on this thing was good. It was what this car needed. That FX Stage 2 clutch was like turbo ass. Really like this Flyo single mass kit. People are asking me about it in some comments. We'll make a video on it. I'll make a video on it once I get some more miles on this, and I want to get a track day on it to see how it is at the track and give like some honest impressions. Alright, fifth gear. Dude, this car feels the tightest it's ever had, I'll be honest.
That's awesome.
I also think I have quite a bit more low end torque. I'm gonna test that to probably the Vanos, because that old Vanos was like, that thing was dead.
Look at that.
I know.
Awesome.
Go for a 5.4.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm feeling great, dude.
Got your car back up and running.
I know, this thing
It's
drives.
driving.
It lives. Dude, this thing moves under its own power. Now it's moving under its own power. Well, dude, that's...
Gotta give us a few wheel jerks, you know?
Yeah. We'll take it easy. We'll get her home. Put our braking miles on her. I'm dying to rip this thing again, so we need to get the braking miles on her as quickly as possible. And I need to get this stupid steering fixed, because that's kind of messed up.
Yeah.
You know, it could be worse.
Could be worse.
So if that's the worst that came out of this job. We did all right.
Yeah.
For the reason we cannot have nice things.
False. Sonny, that's like a 10, bro. That's not a 13.
Where's 13?
Nah, this
It's
is
a 13.
What the hell?
I'm telling you, it's not a 10.
Dude, that's the fakest ass 10 millimeter. Are you sure? No, I'm
not
pretty
a
sure I
10.
grabbed the 10.
No.
You see, it says 10 mil right on it, Sonny. Aw, and that's why you put a towel down.
Okay, everybody, we are driving the M3. It is April 24th. It is my birthday today. And like we said, that was my goal, to drive this car on my birthday. I've had this tradition where every year since I was 16, I've driven an E36 M3 on my birthday. And I'm really glad I didn't get to break it this year. This is my 5-year anniversary now that I'm 21. And it's so cool. I'm really thankful that I've gotten to have this level of experience with these cars over the years. As I've kind of grown in the automotive hobby, I've learned and improved and discovered what I like and don't like, and I always kind of just come back to the E36. It's just like, it's a car that kind of just feels like home to me. There's nothing like it. I just love them. How does the car run? We've now put like 113 miles on it. Our braking procedure, I just did an oil change. I'm gonna drive it like another 800 to 1,000 miles, and then we're gonna do another oil change, and after that we should be ready to rip. The reason we're actually doing a break-in, because technically for a head gasket, you don't have to break in the engine, but we were sanding off the block and a lot of things got into the oil system, like shavings, the sandpaper, metal, whatever. So kind of going easier just so that the engine kind of has a chance to filter itself out and get rid of any loose debris that's in it. Hopefully the filter will catch. But after that, the car should be reliable. Everything works like it's supposed to, which is incredible. I mean, it went back together correctly the first time. So let's now talk about some channel plans. Over this past winter, I've kind of
don't want to say slacked on YouTube, but I definitely haven't been uploading as much as I would like to have been, or as consistently. I've been super busy with school, especially this second semester. I was taking 17 credits and it was just a lot, on top of working 20 to 25 hours a week with my internship. So I haven't had as much time to do the things that I've really been wanting to do and interacting with you guys. But this summer, that is going to change. I am really dedicated this summer. I'm gonna try to get on that 2 upload a week grind. Ideally, 1 hot take every week, because a lot of you guys really like those POVs and I really love doing them. And 1 piece of E36 content. I would really like to get some sort of E36 content or some kind of vlog every week, you know? I even have some videos I want to shoot with the Camry. I guess I should say 1 hot take and then 1 other video that will be related to my personal cars, which will mostly be E36 content, but occasionally it will be something with the Camry. I have a couple videos that I've been wanting to film with that car, but I just haven't yet. And it'll happen eventually, but it's just, I'm in exam week right now. So even the time I'm taking now to film this video is like a bit a lot for me. But I really wanted to do it. This is like I needed the time to kind of relax and hang out with you guys. I will say, kind of wrap up the head gasket job. Honestly, it was not as bad as I was expecting, but it was really nice to kind of get this first project experience and do something really big, because now I feel a lot more confident to work on this car. I'm very confident that I could do another head gasket should I have to. If I bought like a track car someday, E36 track car, I'm very confident that I could do most of the work myself. And even maybe like an engine rebuild. Like I feel like I'm confident enough that I could tackle something like that, like doing rod bearings and piston rings, like those sort of thing. It's a great feeling, like fixing your own car, you know? Like knowing, oh, okay, I can do this. Like I remember I was pricing out shops and it probably would have cost me about the same for the head gasket, but I wouldn't have gotten the timing service. I wouldn't have gotten a lot of the other stuff done that I wanted to do. The blower motor, the fan, that would have been probably, another hour or 2 of shop labor they would have charged me. Instead, I just did it. It wasn't that hard. Maybe take this as a PSA out there to some of you DIYers. I fortunately had the umbrella of a daily driver. It wasn't that big of a deal for me to leave this car sit for 8 months. Fortunately, my roommate's dad let me store the car, which was huge. That was the only reason I was able to even do this job. But if you have a big project or something breaks, go for it. I mean, worst that happens is, well, actually I shouldn't say that. Depending on the job, you could do a lot more damage. But I think if you're reasonably confident in your abilities, but you're just scared, I think go for it. It doesn't hurt to try. And I mean, take it slow, take it easy. That's what I did. And fortunately, I had the help from a lot of friends, which made it a lot more enjoyable. Buying food for everybody and just hanging out. If I did that by myself, it would have taken a lot longer, and it would have been not nearly as fun. The people that helped me with this job completely made it as fun as it was, and that was really awesome. Also, huge shout out to TC Euro. They were so helpful in helping me find things for this car, just like various torque specs, or like they recommended an engine assembly lube and various other things. I'd randomly text them questions about, at this point, I can't remember any questions off the top of my head, but they just always had an answer for me, and I really trust their opinion. They have a shop out in Denver. If you need your old BMW worked on, they are so passionate about these cars and so knowledgeable. I would not think twice about handing them the keys to this car again. But yeah, that's all I got. I'm gonna try to put these break-in miles in on this car as fast as I possibly can, because I want to get to ragging on it, and I'm sure you guys want to see me rag on it, because that's fun. I will link down below all of the resources I used throughout the project, lots of write-ups, the head gasket DIY series on YouTube. I bought the Race German torque booklet, which I'm a Race German affiliate. I will put an affiliates link in the description below if you buy it from there. I'll get a small kickback, and I really appreciate that. And I might even throw a couple other tools down there that I use from them. But I'll throw everything down in the description. If you guys have any questions about this job, anything at all, or you just want to comment, just to comment, you're excited for the new season, I want to hear about your guys' projects. But with that, take care, everybody, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new.